Hey guys, what's up? It's your daily boy Debuggers right here, and we are continuing the series of making a simple Android game. And you guys know, up to where we did, we made two levels, and we made a player, of course, to move forward and backward using button input, and also we introduce you to enemy. So now let's continue with making the enemy more sufficient to kill the player. So let's do it. So let's open up the Unity. So now let's do the thing. So you could go to scene, scene. Let's okay. We should open up the level one right there. So you all guys know we did this, and now we will add our enemy, but we will add the enemy in the level 2 right here. So I will show you what we did in the last uh, episode where we made the player to switch between the scenes. So I will show you guys the thing that we did right now. So let the play mode be enabled, and let's hit the forward button, and nothing happened. Maybe some error. Yes, we did the script. Now we need to add it to the end. So let it load. uh, and also we need to tag the players and stuff. We talked about tags and everything. So now let's hit the play mode and see what will happen. Hope you guys are doing well, and if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button, and also if you're liking this series, click the like button. So now we'll do this. So that was first, and came to the second level. I will make you do the level switching bit more slow in the next episode, so stay tuned for that. And also click the bell icon and make an enemy. So make the game. Let's see the enemy. Yes, enemy right there. Let's focus on him. He's bit on the ground. Let's make him up, and also we will add rigid body. Those who guys who know what is rigid body, it's on physics like we are having in our real time. It will be given by Unity to the object act like a normal object in our world. So it will fall down because we can use gravity, and everything comes default with the rigid body. So now if we open up the play mode and play the thing, so let it open up the play mode, and you see it falls down and thing. We explained these things in the first video. Hope you guys that video, and you could see um, the cubes are fighting and stuff. So our cube doesn't have any other things, like if we hit the enemy, and now the player has that we are going to do right now. Hope you guys are doing well, and now let's take a pause right now. We'll pause right now, and hope you guys are doing well. Please write something on the chats so that I could know what the hell you guys are doing out there. So now we will deal with the thing. We will make the enemy run. Sorry, the enemy to be scared of the player. So now let's go to the player, and we could use the tagging here too. So let's add of the layout and go to the enemy. So we will be tabbing enemy, and what we want will be written inside of here, these brackets. So we want the scene to be the current scene to the dot, and inside of that the name. specification of this script is tag enemy an object where the current level is restarting. When you want to see the collision and stuff, we will do a panel kind of thing right here, so that we will deal with in the next video. If we fall down the edge of this cube or this platform, we cannot restart the the scene. So how to do that? To do that, we could make a ground, like we could duplicate the enemy and we could make a ground like that. Like we'll make a ground like 100. We'll make making a ground underneath of our platform, and we could disable the mesh render so that we could not see the underground. Oh, now if we fall down the edges, it will reload because the unity or the object is hitting the enemy. So why didn't that happen? Okay. Oh, if you enable rigid body, it will not work, man. So we need to remove that command right here. So now, if we go and go to games and play, you will see that it will restart. It will work perfect fine. But there is another way of doing this restart thing too. So that we'll do right now. So you could see that if you touch the object down, which is the enemy, it will reload the game. So pretty good. But we'll so we didn't put the so we added the thing uh, using transform. So let's go to Visual Studio, and we have done if transform dot along the y-axis the value is -1, we need to reload the scene. So this script is same as that of we did for the enemy on collision. So we also use the transform public transform tr right here, and we did that much. And now let's go back to the Unity engine and let's add the transform, because we told we want a another transform, because we told it public transform and private. If it's private, the script will find out which the object or the script is attached, and it will make use of that transform. So we could use that too, but now we could go ahead and play what will happen. So this will happen. So something happened. Go to the player. Let's focus. He's gone down. Werewolf player. That's what it said. We are saying that, buddy. So let's go to games. Let's play this again. What is happening right there? Oh, we did. Telling the player that it's the thing. So now let's anchor the thing. So to do that, shift alt press on the bottom, and now it will scale with the size of screen. So now there's a button and the value of speed itself. So it's a possible. So up to now we made the thing. We made the cube to restart the level when it falls down and when it hit the enemy, and the scripts are told. And now we will also make a jump button. So uh, now let's see what will happen. Let's hit the enemy, it will restart. When it falls down, it restarts. And oh shit, what? Okay, the jump button is basically having the backwards. So let's put jump, and now let's make the flat jump. So did forward, backward, jump. We make the scene move. And when it hit the enemy, it restarts and it could jump too. But the problem right now is this: you could hover when you press the button like that. Hmm, that's not good. So to change that, now we are adding force every time. So there is already a force on the object. So let me see. Okay, there's already a force when we click the jump button, and we are adding force simultaneously over the object, making it float away. So we don't want that. So to change that, we want we want the jump button to work when there is no force. So it means when we hit the ground, there will be no force. But when we are on the air, there will be a force acting on the object. So to do that, let's go to the jump button and we will make a small if statement. So let's say if RB, the rigid body is resonance for everything, that's force, velocity, and everything. So when we are moving up and down, the thing is speed or velocity. So dot velocity dot y, because it's in the y-axis, we don't want any change in the x or z-axis which can stop the play. We only want it to happen on the y. So now let's say is less than 0. So the velocity on the y-axis is 0 basically. We need this thing to happen. So we could uh, cut and copy this add force on here. So let's see. So this will work perfectly fine for your symbol jump mechanism. So let's see. Let's save that, and yeah. Let's see. Let it load, and it will work fine, guys. This is how you do a symbol jump that you want for a game. So hope you guys enjoying this video. Give a like. We made jump buttons, we made enemy, we made basically most of the things a game need. So now let's play the game and see what will happen. So let's get into the play mode, and you see you could know what had happened. It's less than or equal to, I think, equal to 0. If it's always equal to, and let's save this and go back to I think that need to be changed. uh, if rb dot velocity dot y is along the y-axis, so that should work along the y-axis, so that should work perfectly fine. But It's velocity basically, so now should work, I think. Mm, should be like this. And so now if we press this button, it's not working. Why? Let's see one more time what it happened. Jump and we'll do right here. Now let's go back to Unity and let's hit the play mode, and I think after this jump button we will finish and stuff. So now if we hit the button, it's jumping too much high. So I think that's it for this video. I will fix this jump button so in the next video. So hope you guys will like this video and subscribe for getting notification and stuff for, and we'll upload the next video in Thursday or something. So hope you guys enjoying, and let's see you guys in the next video.